Yo, what's going on guys? It's bookbrandonkickz and I'm back with another video. Today I have two super big and exciting announcements that I would like to make. First of all, I'm super excited to announce the start of my series called Hypreneur. This series will allow you guys to come along with me on my resale journey where I show you the ins and outs on how I manage my sneaker and streetwear business. This series will include live cops, resale predictions, some sneaker reviews, and some of the sneaker deals that I've done. It'll just give you guys a sneak peek of my day-to-day life on how I cop sneakers and how I sell the sneakers. Before I get into this video, I want to give a big shout out to PROXIES for sponsoring it. I'm officially on Team PROXIES. PROXIES is a proxy service that provides bot users with the best proxies on the market, and you can use them on every single drop and every single bot. If you guys are interested and would like to cop, I'll leave a link in the description below, and don't forget to use my discount code bookbrandonkickz for 20% off. And with that being said, let's get right on into the Jordan 1 Royal Toe live cop video. So meanwhile, I'm waiting for the next drop. It's literally 7 a.m. right now. I have 3 hours until the 10 a.m. drop. So like I said in the beginning of the video when I was introducing my Hypreneur series, I'll be showing you guys and reviewing some of the shoes that I have recently received through my live cop videos. And if you guys would like to follow my selling page, I'll be throwing all these pairs behind me on my selling page as well. So I'll really appreciate if you guys follow me there. So first of all, we got the Yeezy V2 linens. This is actually one of my favorite pairs of Yeezys that have came out in the past 2 years. Last year really I wasn't on that Yeezy wave anymore, but this year I'm pretty sure Yeezys are back, and I like to see I like these colorways, like the Alvas. Those were pretty interesting, as well as the MNVMs. Those were also really interesting new models, but V2s are getting pretty old now. But for this pair of this colorway, I really enjoy it. I picked one up for the personal as well. Just the baby blue on the linen colorway is super nice. If they did it inverted, where the linen was the baby blue and the sock liner and the stripe was linen, it would also look really nice. I just think the color combination on this pair just looks really good in my opinion. Next up, we got the Jordan 1 mid Luka Doncic. If you guys watched the live cop from last video, you guys knew I copped 2 pairs of these from Foot Locker. I was just seeing where the market would go with these pairs. I wasn't too sure, so I just picked up 2 pairs. It's a mid. It's got like this plastic swoosh, this green plastic swoosh. It's not really leather or patent leather, it's like a plastic, and that's pretty special about it. The leather definitely could be better. It's not the best leather in the world, definitely not tumbled at all. This part, you can't really tell. These parts, they're not really white, they're like a off-white, really light green color. Can't really explain what it really looks like. It's really near to a white, but it's not. It's like a greenish color. And then on the sock liner, it's got like this quilted thing. It's not quilted leather, it's quilted knit, but it just makes it look a lot more luxury. And then on the back it says center and breathe. And I mean, it's also it's got two colors on the soles, purple and green. I really wish they came with extra laces, to be honest, just because of that mismatched look. If they could have thrown in purple and green laces just for people to mismatch it, it would be great, but they didn't. But I think that would be a really good touch for them to do. And I also think the Jordan 1 mid Luka Doncic was inspired by Luka's hometown. I think this will be one of the shoes that a lot of people are going to want in the future, just because Luka Doncic is going to become a really big superstar if he keeps up his performance. And then lastly, I got the Jordan 4 Black Cats. I'm sure a lot of you guys probably have already seen this pair. It came out a while ago. Nike Canada and Foot Locker restocked these just last week. If you watched the last video, I copped a ton of these. I got around like 27 to 30 pairs. I have 3 pairs right now in hand. The others are all on their way, just because the situation shipping's taking a really long time, but here it is. Jordan 4 Black Cats. Can't go wrong with the all black pair of classic Jordans. That basically wraps it up for today's Jordan 1 live cop. It didn't go as well as I expected. I was really trying to redeem myself after a couple weeks of L's, and unfortunately we took another L. And I mean, through my experiences, sometimes these bots, I know that a lot of people who understand bots who are watching right now will say Kodai cooked, Kodai killed this drop. But for me, when I used Kodai, it was also my first time using, so I wasn't super familiar with it. And I mean, I think I messed up on some of the setups, so there's some errors on my part that happened, and that's why I didn't cop. I know a lot of people that copped around 20, 30, 40, 50 pairs on Kodai today, but unfortunately that wasn't the case for me. and I'll definitely be going back into the bot and looking at my proxies and seeing what the problem was, and we're gonna turn this L into a W in the future. Every single L we take is a learning experience, and we're gonna take that experience, put it into the next drop, and we're gonna catch W's. I'm pretty upset that we weren't able to cop more than 2 pairs today. I mean, it was a pretty bad drop for me, but we're gonna take this as a learning experience and bring it ahead. And so for today's checkout recap, we have 2 pairs, one pair of the Jordan 1 Royal Toe in size 3.5Y and another in 5Y. If you guys did enjoy the live cop, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and also go follow me on Instagram at @brandonkickz_. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.